Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with John Kerkes, State Farm. I get this question a lot. I have a condo and my HOA covers my homeowner's insurance. What else do I need?
Okay, with homeowners insurance, typically you're going to have that with a condo or a townhome. I mean, even single-family homes will have HOAs occasionally, but typically that's only for the common areas only. It's not going to cover the structure at all. With a condo or townhome, and I personally own a townhome, the HOA will cover so much, and it can vary from association to association. So every neighborhood might be a little bit different. Throughout the purchase transaction, you'll probably get more information on that. But typically, what's most common nowadays is they'll cover into the drywall. So the HOA will cover what's called walls out. You'll want to be sure to have coverage, one, for whatever you're responsible for on the inside. So that might be the paint, the flooring, cabinets, countertops,
Your stuff.
and so forth, exactly.
Yeah.
And then furthermore, even if the HOA, in some cases it's more rare nowadays, they'll cover the interior also, but they don't cover your contents. So any of your personal property, your furniture, your clothes, electronics, jewelry, and so forth wouldn't be covered. That master policy, even if they do cover the inside part of the structure, usually has a very high deductible of $10,000 or $15,000. So your own individual policy can help be applied towards that typically. And then also, the master policy is not going to provide things like temporary housing. You know, if you have, God forbid, a big loss, staying in a hotel, renting another house. It's also not going to cover your personal liability as well. So if you have anybody that gets injured on your property, dog bites somebody, that's something that the master policy is typically not going to cover.
Very good. Good information. Thanks, John.
You're welcome.
Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. Call us if you have any questions.